My name's Tanner. I'm a channel development specialist here at ASI. I specialize in industrial PCs and I'm part of the IPC team here. Our objective is to provide a diverse array of support for all of our customers involved in industrial PC. So now let's do a brief overview for the product categories we have here at ASI for industrial PC. First one's going to be motherboards. This is a big one for us. Not only is it core to the IPC market, but it's a core strength for ASI. We know motherboards very well. We have many direct partnerships and decades of experience with each of the different manufacturers. So this is a major strength of ASI overall, and it's true for our industrial PC boards as well. We have a very broad selection of options there. The main differences for IPC boards typically have to do with form factor, if the CPU is embedded or socket, things like that. Um, but your mini ITXs, your thin minis, your 3.5-inch SBCs, ASI carries many varieties of all those form factors and more. On the industrial side, most of these manufacturers will do customization. So usually with IO. So like if you need a USB swapped or whatever, the key differences are again going to be form factor and CPU, and there is a little customization going on after that. We also have Edge AI. So this is a big one when I talk about how PCs aren't just on desktops anymore. The versatility of edge computing and AI allow for these systems to provide value in a variety of markets. It could be quality assurance at a manufacturing plant, maybe an advanced security system with facial recognition, things like that. But again, very diverse, and these vendors all have industrial AI solutions, security, medical devices, warehouse robotics. These are all getting more advanced and growing because of the rise of AI, and that AI arriving at the edge is a big part of that. We've also recently added a vendor specializing in industrial display solutions. So that's going to be touch screens, human machine interfaces, rugged displays, that sort of thing. And again, these displays will be different from a commercial display as they'll have that longer life cycle and the enhanced durability. So these will have waterproof certifications. They're designed to have high brightness to remain readable outdoors, things like that. And then the last major group that we have are rugged systems, which can really be like a controller on a manufacturing line or really any kind of box PC. What makes a box PC an industrial box PC, again, is that longer life cycle, that enhanced durability. And when I say durability, we are talking about literal military grade durability. That is the standard that these things are rated on. So water resistant stuff, explosion resistant stuff, sort of things of that nature. And this is done because many IPCs are going to be deployed outdoors, have to deal with weather, vibration, dust, things like that. But these are all products that can be used in multiple markets. So an easy kind of rule of thumb for IPC is any environment that's going to be harsh or involve extended periods of uptime will be an environment best suited for an industrial PC. So if you're taking notes, and I hope you are because there's a quiz at the end of this, uh, any environment that's going to be harsh or involve extended periods of uptime will be an environment best suited for an industrial PC. But those are our major product categories. You have motherboards, ruggedized PCs, displays, and Edge AI. Of course, we also have other bare bone components, COMs, developer kits for early systems, stuff like that. And then there's these industrial adjacent products. So, not just motherboards and box PCs, but wide temperature SSDs, MIPI camera modules, things that we bring in to offer that full diverse array of products, which is a big part of ASI's value.